Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out this laptop charger. It's rated at 19 volts and 4.7 amps, which is slightly higher than the usual chargers we see. But it's not working. No output voltage at all. In this video, we're going to open it up, check what might be wrong, and see if we can fix it. As we can see, there is no output from the power supply. Let's open the case and find out the issue. Apparently, we can see that something is burned and there is smoke on the input side. A power surge, voltage spike, or lightning strike can instantly damage the input protection components of a power supply. Components such as the MOV or VDR-ZNR may burn or even explode when exposed to a sudden high voltage transient. The fuse, which is designed to blow and disconnect the circuit during overcurrent conditions, might fail to protect other components if it is underrated or has been bypassed. This is the switching IC of the SMPS. It is usually found in an 8-pin package, but in this power supply, a 16-pin IC is used instead. Here, we can see that the MOV has exploded and is damaged. A common reason for MOV explosion in an SMPS is a severe voltage surge or lightning strike where the MOV tries to clamp the surge. But if the energy is too high, it overheats and explodes. Under normal voltage, the MOV acts like an open circuit. But when a voltage spike exceeding its clamping voltage occurs, it becomes conductive and diverts excess energy to ground or neutral to protect sensitive components. Then returns to its non-conductive state if not damaged. Let's test the fuse and the MOV. As I expected, the fuse is opened. The fuse acts as a safety device and blows when excessive current flows, often caused by the MOV shorting out. Due to a large surge, which disconnects the circuit from the power source to prevent further damage or fire risk. As the MOV may absorb a massive surge, fail catastrophically, and short internally, leading to a sudden high current that triggers the fuse to blow. There is no voltage across the main input capacitor. Let's replace the fuse and the MOV. I installed the new fuse and MOV. Now let's turn on the power supply and see if it works. We have 19 volts at the output. The power supply is working well. There doesn't seem to be any other issue. Hope you liked the video. See you in my next video.